The match function in Excel returns the position in a list for a value you specify. In other words, match tells you where in your list you can locate your value after you provide search parameters. So, if you have a list of employee names and you want to know where in the list the first employee named Frank appeared, match is the formula to use. To find Frank's position in your list, first select a cell outside of the list in which to place the formula. On the Formulas tab, click Lookup and Reference, and then click Match. You can also click the Function button here. Now, type values for the following fields in the Function Arguments dialog box. Lookup value is the value that you want to find. This is usually text or a number. We are looking for Frank's name, so I'll enter the text Frank. Lookup array is the range of cells you want to search. In this case, we know that all the employee names are in column A. Enter your range, in this case A4 through A21. Note that the range of cells needs to be in a single continuous row or column to return the correct results. Match type is optional and uses -1, 0, and 1 as possible values. Using -1 means you'll end up with a match that is the smallest value greater than or equal to the value you're trying to find. It's important that when choosing -1, you ensure that your column is sorted in descending order, otherwise the function will return NA. Choosing 1 as your match type means that you'll get a match that is the largest value in the range less than or equal to the value you're trying to find. Before choosing 1 as a match type, ensure that your column is sorted in ascending order. Choosing 0 means that only an exact match is returned, no matter how you've sorted your data. Since we're looking for a specific name, we'll choose 0. Click OK. Frank is located in position 7. It's important to note that the location returned may not match up with the cell address, so don't get confused. In this case, Frank's name is located in cell A10, but his position in the list is actually 7 since we specified A4 instead of A1 through A21 as our lookup array. Choosing match type values of -1 or 1 can be useful when dealing with lists that contain numbers, especially if you aren't sure if the value you're looking for even exists. Using -1 or 1 gives you the best approximation of that value if you're not limiting your search to an exact match. Let's say that you wanted to set a salary cutoff line for your marketing department. Everybody above the line is eligible for profit sharing, and everybody below the line gets a coffee shop gift card. We'll make the salary cutoff $5,800 a month. First, we'll need to sort the data. Since I'm interested in who gets a chunk of company profits, I'll want to specify -1 as my match type since it will return the smallest value greater than or equal to $5,800. Because I use -1, I need to sort in descending order. Click on the cell where you want to place the formula, click the Function button, and then click Match. Type your lookup value, 5,800, your lookup array, in this case, E1 through E21, and your match type. In this case, we're going to use -1. Position 10 is the smallest value that's greater than or equal to $5,800. So Janice at $6,100 gets a share of company profits, and Clarice at $5,600 gets a crummy gift certificate. Match also works well when combined with other formulas like index. For more information, see the related links below this video.